everyone, it's DesignChickee here, and I'm here to give you a heads up. My videos will now be posted every Friday. What a way to start a weekend! I know that so many of you have home DIY projects that you like to work on over the weekends, so why not get inspired and tune in every week on Fridays so that you can hit the ground running. Come here for design inspiration, design tips and tricks, and of course, interior design rules. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And come back on Friday. I'll be celebrating 1,000 plus subscribers by answering your real life design questions. So if you've got questions, send them below, or you can tweet me at DesignChickee on Twitter. Your design dilemma could become a featured video. So until then, happy renovating everybody, and I'll see you on Friday.